I know you're busy guy, but I hope you miss me, coach. When you cut like afternoon, like night time, this is easy. But when you think about Friday morning, you're gonna cut. This is make this hard.